Remember, each of you with your client's different. You may have above elbow amputation or below elbow, but today's the day to start preliminary trying to mock up and start planning on what you're going to actually put together and start building. I teach engineering at Shadow Ridge High School. I have had students that have Googled my name just for curiosity and then get super blown away that I have a Wikipedia page. And they're like, Bennett, you have a Wikipedia page. I'm like, I know, I'm a Paralympic archer. One of the first big projects they work on is the prosthetic arm project. I lost my arm at an early age and I didn't start shooting my bow again until I was in my late 20s. And so going through the process of figuring out how I was going to shoot, solving that problem, making it better, kind of really helped me understand that that same process would be excellent for my high school kids to go through. And so part of the project involves the students meeting with me as a client. I role play, not myself, but a different person that might need a certain prosthetic. And so they meet with me and try and just determine, what do I need? What specific prosthetic are they looking to design or make? And then they take that information and they go back and design and come up with a solution, whether that's to throw a ball or hold a tennis racket or hold a fishing pole. The arms and stuff they end up making are prototype level stuff, but overall they go through that engineering design cycle and that process to be able to help make them hopefully better engineers in the future. Yeah, no. I think you are onto something right there. One of the things that this lesson teaches is it really helps students understand the concept of accessibility and inclusivity. And so they get a chance to learn about the challenges that certain disabled people face. And that thoughtful thought process, I know that is really helping those students learn about and embrace a part of our culture that will help them be better engineers in the long run.